Hi friends, so it is the last mile to the CAT examination and I'm sure all my students are all ready, set and prepared. So what is it you need to do in the last minute guys? As many other educators have been telling you, what you need to do in the last minute is just a revision of all that you have already done before. You do a recap of all the questions that you find difficult. Make note of that particular word list. We have been asking you to learn words. There must be one particular book that you have set aside for words, guys. See that you learn all the words that you have already collected. Don't learn new words. Just revise the words that you have already learned. Why? Because it should not be a situation on the day of the examination that you look at a word, it looks familiar, but you don't remember the meaning. So instead of learning new words now, just revise all the words that you have collected. Go through all the summaries that you have written, all the summaries, all the words, all the different concepts that you know in the reading comprehension section. Also, as far as the aspect of parajumbles, odd man out is concerned, I think if your strategy is in place and you know how to answer those questions, you should be good. Those who have not looked at grammar at all can refresh their memory about all what are the rules of grammar in the last few days, because if you know the rule of grammar, you can always correct a sentence. As far as critical reasoning is concerned, guys, see that you make educated and judicious choices. Again, I hope the practice was adequate enough to be able to help you to sail through the examination and mark answers, because critical reasoning and reading comprehension is more like an open book examination. It is your preparation which will probably help you on the day of the examination. Also, guys, when you're doing the examination, see that you are able to go through the questions very fast. Don't dwell at any particular question for a long time. If you find that it is a question that you're not able to answer, then move on. Be like a businessman. Look for profit. See that you are able to answer maximum number of questions in the shortest period of time, guys. And that is what is basically very, very important. Keep in mind that the shortest questions are not necessarily the easiest questions. So therefore, guys, see that you are able to do a complete run through of the entire passage, entire handout and the entire paper. See that you are able to read it right till the end. Do not leave any questions unread. Also, by now, I hope you are judicious enough to realize as to how many questions that, what are the questions that you want to answer, which are the ones you don't want to answer, which are the ones that you know, which are the ones you don't know, right, guys? So that is what you need to do.